Welcome to our deep dive into one of nature's true marvels, the magnificent rain tree, known scientifically as Samanea saman. Get ready to explore its facts and incredible beauty. The rain tree is much more than just a large shade provider. It's a charismatic giant with unique adaptations and significant value. Imagine standing under this colossal umbrella of green. The rain tree is instantly recognizable for its sheer size and sprawling, impressive silhouette. You might know this tree by several names, including the popular monkey pod or simply saman. All refer to the same incredible species, Samanea saman. What makes the rain tree truly special? It all comes down to its unique form and fascinating daily behavior. Its most defining physical characteristic is the massive, broad, and dome-shaped canopy, creating a perfect, natural umbrella providing incredible shade. One of the most captivating things about this tree is its sleep behavior. Its leaves fold up in the evening or when it rains, giving it the name rain tree and allowing water to pass directly through to the soil below. Let's explore where this giant comes from and how quickly it reaches its majestic size. The rain tree is native to the tropical regions of Central and South America, but due to its desirability, it is now cultivated across the globe in warm climates. These are fast-growing trees, quickly reaching towering heights and lateral spreads that can exceed 200 feet, making them some of the largest trees by canopy area. Beyond its beauty, the rain tree offers significant practical and ecological value. The wood, often called monkey pod wood, is highly valued for its durability, attractive dark grain, and is commonly used for fine furniture and carvings. Ecologically, the rain tree is a boon. It fixes nitrogen in the soil, acts as a phenomenal source of shade, and provides habitat for various wildlife. Throughout history, the rain tree has held cultural and historical significance, often serving as gathering places due to its wide-reaching canopy and majestic presence. The rain tree truly stands out as an amazing species, worthy of our attention and appreciation. From its massive umbrella canopy to its fascinating leaf-folding behavior, the rain tree is a magnificent specimen of nature's ingenuity. Did you enjoy learning about the rain tree? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more amazing content.